Hello again and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will talk about something you may not like to hear, but it's crucial if you want to stop losing money with meme coins. It's about having the right mindset and how you can make more winning trades when you have control over your emotions, so be sure to watch this video to the end. 95% of meme coin traders are losing money, and it's not because they are unlucky or don't have the right information. It's because they don't have the right mindset. When I first started out trading, I fell into those traps too and lost a lot of money. I bought in at the wrong time and got dumped on over and over again. But once I learned to control my emotions and make smarter decisions, that's when things turned around and I started making real profits. Let's break down the mindset you need if you want to survive and win in meme coin trading. If you want to get in meme coins, you should be ready to accept the risk. Meme coins are high risk, high reward plays. If you think that every trade you go in is your ticket to early retirement, you're setting yourself up for disappointment. Treat meme coins like risky bets and only use money you can afford to lose. Consider meme coins as lottery tickets with a strategy attached. Sometimes they hit big, but most times they don't. The trick is to kill your FOMO. Fear of missing out is deadly. You see a coin blowing up on X or TikTok and suddenly you feel like you have to buy, but by the time you do it, the early birds are already selling to people like you. That's how most meme coin traders end up holding their bags. If you have a disciplined mindset, you will say, it's okay to miss this one, there will be other opportunities. Chasing pumps usually ends in pain. Waiting for a solid entry, that's how you win. It's also important to always have a plan. Here's where most people fail. They jump in with no roadmap, no target, no stop loss, no exit strategy. And when the price swings, which it always does, they panic sell their bags. If you have a strong trading mindset, you will decide your rules before you buy. Set your entry and exit point and decide when you are going to get in and when you will take profit, and place a stop loss where you will cut your losses. Once you set these rules, you need to stick to them and not change your mind mid-trade because of your emotions. That's how you turn trading into a system instead of a gamble. Emotions are the #1 account killer. Greed makes you hold too long and fear makes you sell too soon. With the right mindset, you will treat trades like numbers and not feelings. If you hit your profit target, take it. Don't get greedy. If you hit your stop loss, accept it. Don't hold your coins and hope it bounces back. Winners don't trade based on hope. They trade based on rules. The more you detach your emotions, the more consistent your results will be. Think long-term discipline and not quick wins. Everyone wants the new Dogecoin or Shiba Inu moment, but here's the truth. Those jackpot plays are very rare. If your entire strategy is get rich quick, you will most likely burn out your account fast. Having a winning mindset is about consistency. Protect your capital, play smart and look for steady growth. One disciplined win is better than 5 reckless losses. Over time, those small wins will stack up, and that's how you actually build wealth in meme coin trading. Remember, meme coin trading is 90% mindset and 10% strategy. If you accept the risk, kill your FOMO, stick to your plan, control your emotions and have a long-term strategy, you will survive the chaos. If you want to know how you can take back control over your emotions and find out how to become a profitable meme coin trader, I recommend you to get a copy of the Millionaire meme coin blueprint. Whether you're a beginning trader or tired of losing all your trades, this book will help you to get control over your emotions and help you to become a smarter trader with real examples and useful tips. It's available on Gumroad and I will drop the link below. Let me know in the comments what's the biggest lesson you have learned from trading meme coins. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to get all my latest videos first. Have a great day and trade safe.